Hello guys, PGHL Films. Wait, no, wrong channel, wrong channel. Here this game. It has 3 boats, so it might be good, and it has 88 visits. So this game is dead. And also, why did I make this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Interminable rooms? Interminable rooms? Why are you here? Interminable rooms. Anyway, so I'm playing my old games. If you don't know, you can see the title. Why did I pronounce it like that? Okay, this is called Siren Island, or Filipinos like to call it Siren Island. And also, why is it so laggy? And also, why there's a time here? I don't. Dude, why is there HD admin? What is going on with inside my brain when I was 8 years old? Dude. And also, this water is literally basically just a free model. Why did I just put random free models? Anyway, here's the tornado siren. I forgot what is it called? Westminster chime. Also forgot to mention, I remember Baldi's Basics. I used to like Baldi's Basics back then, but now I just watch them on PGHL Films. Anyway, that's just the game. You just test sirens, tornado sirens or something. Wait, let me go to the other side. Right there in the lighthouse. Yeah, you can just do it by resetting. And also, what is this free model? And also, why I used to like Skibidi Toilet back then? I don't understand. Why am I so cringy back then? Okay, here's the villain tornado siren. I can't jump. Why I can't jump? Okay. Here's the Westminster chime. Yes, guys, you basically get the point if you are a siren enthusiast. So let's leave. That's enough for this game. God. Okay. Dude, just press. Anyway, Lois _406 donation place DSDT. I have no idea. Tornadoes are interesting. Oh yeah, content maturity. This thing is only for donations because you know what? I'm just gonna change the name. Why not? I'm just going to change the name later. Anyways, next game. Okay. Okay, here's burnt wood. Okay. I have no idea what is that supposed to mean, but I think it stands for Oklahoma, I think, or okay in general. So let's just play the game. What is this? ASC Compulert. Compulert. Do you pronounce that correctly? I don't pronounce Tornado Sirens correctly. I used to back then. I have no idea why what is this? I think I took this from Google Maps. Yeah, this sand thing with a lot of vehicles. I think I remember that. Also with the dumpster. I forgot the dumpster. Let me just test the sirens, and also I forgot. And also I used to imitate tornado sirens such as Willen. And also ASC. And also, what is this? What if someone uses Google Maps, you can able to understand these things, because I have no idea why I added these things. And also, there's a random 7-Eleven. And also, what? There's no. What? Anyways, that's it for this video. I want to private these experiences.